Okay.
Okay, so I wanted to change our meetings around and everybody to get a little bit more vocal than usual, besides me just being up here ranting or whatever. So I'm going to start off kind of like Travis starts his meetings. Yeah, I'm copying Travis, but whatever. So what's new? What's working well? Who do we need to recognize? Anybody? Nobody thinks anything's working well?
Nope.
Or that
Well,
everybody
I
needs to be
think
recognized?
after on Sunday or Saturday, whatever day it was, Emily and I moved the toaster and like the hot plate around. It was a lot easier to do breakfast. Because then that person worked on toast and eggs, and then the rest like got everything like the microwaves and stuff on that side.
Yeah.
So we weren't colliding and running into each other all the time and like running around with our heads chopped off. Like
Yeah.
it was more organized.
And that was a really
I
good
felt
idea. So technically, you and Emily should be recognized for coming up with that.
Sure, I'll take that.
So you just put the hot plate over by the toaster or the toaster?
We moved them on the other side of the kitchen. Like on the other small silver.
Oh, on that little table?
Oh.
We plug them in. And then the silver cart, while we're at it, Mike, this is Mike, Mike needs to be recognized for this. Moving it over on that end of the silver table on the other side. Like where it's at now, basically, where we keep it, you just plug it in there. Because then you have more space to do the counter work on the other side.
Instead of moving.
Yeah. That's my opinion, at least. I like it there.
We do have a new induction cooker. That's something that's new. So, I don't know, it'll help us later when we start doing catering and stuff like that. I found a pot that actually works on the heater as well.
Yay.
You'll notice there's some very large roasts in the freezer, and I'm about to move one into the refrigerator. Don't set anything next to it. I'm going to have it in a sheet tray. Just make sure that you don't put anything besides like meat by it. Like, obviously don't set anything in the bloody tray or anything like that, but there will be a roast in there.
What's it for?
It is an experiment. We are going to test out to see if our cookers, rethermalizers I think they're called, will do a roast, because we will start catering lunches for the doctors as soon as we get catering dishes, which is hopefully